Matthew 20. God kingdom be like when person comot for early morning go hire people wey go work for him farm. After him and the workers don gree how much dem go get for their work, he con send dem go work for him farm. When 9 o'clock reach for morning, he con see people wey no get work stand for market. He con tell dem, make una go work for my farm, I go pay una well. So dem con go. When he go out around 12 and 3 o'clock for afternoon, he still tell other people make dem go work for the farm. When 5 o'clock for evening don nearly reach, he see some people wey no get work and he ask dem, why una no dey work and today don nearly finish? Dem answer am, na because nobody hire us. He con tell dem, make una enter my farm go work. When evening reach, the person wey get the farm con tell him manager, call the workers make you pay them, start from the last people wey I hire. People wey dem hire for 5 o'clock collect full day salary, and when the people wey dem first hire waka come, dem think say the oga go pay dem pass like that, but dem get the same amount. When the first people collect their money, dem begin complain to the farm owner. These last people work for only 1 hour, and we work for the whole day inside hot sun, but you pay all of us the same amount. The farm owner answer one of them, my friend, I no do you bad. No be wetin we gree dem pay you. Make you take your money dey go. I like give these last people the same amount wey I give you. Abi I no fit use wetin be my own as I like, or you dey jealous because I dey do good thing? So, the person wey be last go be first, and the first go be last. As Jesus dey go Jerusalem, he take him 12 disciples go one corner, come talk to them. Make una look, we dey go Jerusalem, and dem go sell man pikin give the priest oga dem and the law teachers. Dem go say make dem kill am, and dem go give am to Gentile people, make dem laugh and flog am well, then dem go nail am for cross. But for the 3rd day, God go wake am up. Then Zebedee wife with him children, James and John, come meet Jesus. Their mama come kneel down, they beg Jesus. Jesus come ask am, wetin you want? The woman answer, make you allow these my 2 boys sit down for your kingdom, one for your right side and the other for your left. Jesus asked them again, una know wetin una dey ask for so? Una go fit drink from the cup where I wan drink from? Dem answer, yes, we go fit. Jesus come tell them, na true say una go fit drink from my cup, but e no dey my hand to choose who go sit down for my right and left, but na for those wey my papa choose. So when the other 10 disciples hear this matter, dem come dey vex with the 2 brothers. But Jesus call am and tell them, una know say Gentile people oga and people for big position dey control and oppress their people. Make e no be like that among una. Instead, anybody wey wan be oga among una must serve the rest people. And anybody wey wan be first among una must be servant to the others. Just as man pikin no come make people serve am, but make e for serve and give him life to save many people. As Jesus and him disciples dey comot from Jericho, many people come dey follow them. 2 men wey blind sit down the road corner. When dem hear say Jesus dey pass, dem come begin shout, David pikin, make you sorry for us. People come dey shout for them make them quiet, but dem come dey shout more, David pikin, make you sorry for us. Jesus come stop, call and ask them, wetin una wan make I do for una? Dem answer, Oga God, make our eye open again. Jesus sorry for them, so he touch their eye. At once dem begin see, and dem come follow Jesus.
This na Greywood whispers, voice wey no loud but get sense.